How to fix Reddit chat not working. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you are using the latest version of your Reddit app. So head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in Reddit. If you see open here, that means your application is updated. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. For the second step, open your Reddit. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your account, and now let's go ahead and tap on chat. Now here, if we are trying to search for a username and if that is not showing up, then there is a high possibility that the person has blocked you. That is why you are not being able to see any chat. Now, if you think the username is correct and the chat is still not being shown to you, here is what you should do to fix it. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, tap onto apps. Here, search for Reddit, open your app, tap storage, and then clear the cache. Now, if you remember your credentials like your username and password of Reddit, tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once you do so, restart your device, launch your Reddit application, get logged into your account, and this shall definitely fix your problem. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.